Hi, hello all. Turn on the news. There is a no shortage of negativity after that right now, whether it is at work, in your community, in your personal relationship, or between your own two ears. Negativity is something that cannot be unavoidable. In this video, we will tackle the way to combat the negativity from others as well as your own negative thoughts. Before going to the topic, if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. I truly believe that the thoughts are greatest vehicle to change the power and success in the world. Everything begins with thoughts. Your words become reality. Where you are today, it's because of your thoughts. I hope a great day. You all are safe at home. The same time, it's a problem maybe all of us there. There is not a single person in that world don't have a bad thought. Have really good. While handling and diffusing them, all of us as a human being have goes through the bad thought. During pandemic, in particular content in this news and social medias can make it harder to stay positive. We all are under tremendous stress trying to adapt to this new normal. Especially the older people have the greatest risk for most serious illness. So it's possible to adjust with lifestyle, creating routine by using technology to connect with family and friends. A lot of people are overdosing on the news and that can finally result as stress. So I'm telling you one good idea to moderate your news consumption so it does not become too stressful. You might be thinking why I'm only getting the negative thoughts. As we know in our nature we have day and night because the earth rotates itself. The same way our mind also have positive and negative thoughts like cloud, but it not stay constantly. So you no need to worry about you are getting the negative thoughts. See, the emotional resilience is like a rubber band. No matter how far the resilient person is stitching or pulling by negative emotion, you have the ability to bounce back to your normal state. If we are mostly spending the time with negative people, our brain will be affected with negative thoughts. Because in our brain, hippocampus is the powerful part of our brain. It's a storing and survival the reflexes, flight and flight responses, as well as our negative experiences. So because of negative thinking, our cortisol secretion will increase. One of the many byproduct of negative thinking is stress, which just leads to the many more negative thinking. Again, it will damage our immune system. So if you are staying negatively or thinking negatively, it's affect our health. One simplest aspect how your mind is functioning is there is no subtraction and no division. There is only the addition and multiplication. If you are trying to do something within it, it will say one more. If you are trying too hard, it will multiply into it many more. While listening this video, you may be thinking like I will be remove my negative thoughts and put on into the positive. It's not going to be work because nobody can remove that negative thought. It can be avoided for some time. So here what happened? Let them forcefully remove one thought from our mind. It will become many more. This is the nature of mind. There is no brake, no clutch. Wherever you touch, it will only go faster. On criticism often have a great impact than compliment. The bad news frequently draw more attention than good. The reason for this is the negative event have the great impact on our brains than positive one. So psychologist refers to this as a negative bias or a negativity bias, and it can have a powerful effect on your behavior, your decision, even your relationship. The sad truth is most of us push into the negative thoughts like losing loved one or in destroying peacefulness and finally lack of understanding. This all made things gather to increase our negative thinking. So here I am giving the some example to you. It quite common, can be different from each other, but you may be able to relate it to the same. First one is mind reading. This is where we are automatically thinking that we know what others are thinking. Example, maybe someone ignore a text message from you. A negative mind reading thought could be they are ignoring me. This is the thought first comes we don't know exactly what they are thinking. It can be damaging as you may start to put yourself down and distance from friends and family. So don't jump to conclusion, ask the people directly how they are feel. It could be save you from a lot of unnecessary stress. Next one is future telling. You predict the worst outcome that could be happen later. It will be increase our stress level also. So don't predict earlier. Next one is comparison. In this today's society, it can become so much easier to compare ourselves to others. especially through the social media, everyone uploading this best picture and stories, which can sometimes leave us to feel jealous. When you start to comparing yourself to others, such as she is looking so much pretty than me, it can be increase easier to develop low mood and low self-esteem. Next one is blaming. Another common type is blaming. You blame yourself or others for the problem. Sometimes somebody did with the mistake, but you were assuming because of mine only it's happened. Here also our negative thought is increasing. So don't blame unnecessarily ourselves. So ready to take a positive breath. Inhale into the soft belly, taking light, love and healing energy. Exhale fully, releasing and negative feelings, stress and bad thoughts. I read somewhere these quotes for you. Watch your thoughts, they are become the words. Watch your words, they become the action. Watch your action, they become the habit. Watch your habit, they become your character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. When you're so busy looking at everything that bad in the world, you can't see the best. But the truth in life, it's not all bad, just it's all good. It's a combination of both. There is a positive side and the negative side. So pretty much as everything. This video is helpful to you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.